Good afternoon, all over the world. Good afternoon, my fellow youths. I'm here again today to bring to our doorsteps today's theme, which I had to term it to be the highway to divorce. The highway to divorce. First, the highway to divorce I meant by this particular issue today is the rate of divorce in among our youths and among our people today is quite alarming. And I have come to realize that the problem of the majority of all these divorce are coming from, will I say, wrong notion of marriage, which is the poor orientation, and which I can also call the poor preparation. If you watch out today, you discover that the majority of our youth, whenever we are talking about going into marriage, what is bothering us, majority of us, is how am I going to invite my friends? How am I going to do this? How am I going to do this? Without looking at the preparation of the main marriage. We are not interested about preparing ourselves or looking at the way your husband is being prepared for a better good of marriage tomorrow. Which means we will look outside our psychological treatment, which we should be thinking about how are we going to make this marriage to last. We are interested about the fashion and the program we are going to present that day, the way we are going to dance, the way we are going to invite people, and you see somebody after 1 week of marriage, you begin to hear that they have divorced. If you look at the rate at which majority of our youth do go into marriage, because you met someone on the road, it's knowing I'm the only person nature, now I'm the heaven and earth. You have not even checked to know if the character of this person will match with your character. You have not even checked to know if really that person you are talking to be your husband is really your husband. Some of us see marriage as friendship, and I think that is why some notions of that atom of notion of seeing marriage as going into a friendship is really causing a trouble. Because some of us do not even know that marriage is not about friendship. Somebody can date you today and drop you and go and date another woman. But in marriage, you are marrying somebody to come and stay with the person throughout your life. Poor preparation. We do not prepare ourselves. We do not prepare ourselves to know actually what we want. The way we can sustain the marriage, after the ceremony. And that is why what bothers most of us is about artificial things that will not help our marriage to last. How you tell your husband to buy everything in the whole world to make you become the best among all during your traditional marriage or wedding, without looking at the repercussion after everything. Women, they go in the way they can to make the whole world know that they married the best queen. They can even go to borrow money from all around the world. After the marriage, things will turn out upside down. Poor preparation of our marriages. Will I come into the orientation? Most of our youth today we are not being well oriented on the issue of marriage. We do not even ask questions. We have seen a woman because we feel that her physical appearance is very nice, and that is why I have decided to marry the person. Who told you that marriage is about the physical appearance? That's not why I shared what the Dragon said. Marriage is beyond physical appearance. Marriage is beyond physical visibility. Marriage is all about in-depth sight. You need to look at somebody beyond physical. Some majority of our youth today marry because of money. You don't even know that whether that person you are marrying because of money, if actually he has the money. Many borrowed money just to do their traditional marriage or wedding to be heard all over the world. After 2 weeks, after 1 year, you see that they are divorcing. Divorcing is no longer something that is new in the ear of our people. Let us go look back towards our parents' time. Before a woman goes into marriage, she needs to be trained very well to know the root, the routines involved in marriage. The same thing, men, their father will train them, culture them on the traditional and the best way to handle a woman. Today, you will come into a house, a woman will no longer even know what is her duty to do. Some cannot even cook. Some, because they are afraid they have married, now after the marriage, they will stop dressing themselves. They will stop dressing very well, forgetting that if that man who married you actually needed you, he also needed you to look, to appear very well. Another problem again is the poor reason faculty of majority of us. We see things in different ways that do not help us. And early marriage is another big problem to majority of us. A young girl is coming into an age, 19 years, 18 years, she's going into marriage. What does she know? Because we are not, majority of us are in the school. Not like olden days when most of our mothers are being at home from their age, even to the age of 15, they are still with their mother, knowing the necessary things to do as a mother. Today you are born and from the age of 3 years you already sent to school. When have you gotten the experience on how to handle family issue? Early marriage is causing more harm than good in our side, in our area, in our land, and in our country today. Go around and see the rate of divorce all over the world, all over Igbo land, and all over Nigeria. We need to look at the experiences we have gathered before we go into marriage. Marriage is not friendship, where you can get friends today and tomorrow you will divorce the person. No. Ndị be anyị ọ ga-adị mma ka anyị akwado n'ihe gbasara alụmdi na nwunye. Ka akụziere nne na nna nyere ụmụ nwaanyị aka ka akụziere ha otu nwaanyị si ebi akpa agwa na be di ya. Ndị nna nyere ụmụ okorobịa aka ka akụziere anyị otu esi akpa agwa na otu esi ejido nwaanyị anụtara anụta. Ụfọdụ jizi nwunye ha mere futbọọlụ, ụfọdụ ụmụ nwaanyị jizi di ha mere gịnị, mere slave. Because you felt you are the queen, slave queen, nobody will talk to you in the house. You can't cook. Anụta gị na family dey chọba mmiri ga-eshiri gị nri. Is it not something that is very bad? We need to look at the way we see marriage. Early marriage is causing more harm than good. Experiences in life is necessary in anything we do. We need to gather things that will help us to build a better home. Let us know that rushing into marriage will also rush us out of the marriage. Let us prepare. Let us reason very well. Let us prepare things that will help us to make our marriages to last. Rather than going into marriage thinking about artificial things that will not help our marriages to last. My fellow people, my fellow youth, I'm here to help to bring to our notice that early marriage is also part of the cause of majority of divorces we are having. And the other ones, poor preparation and poor orientation in our society over issue of marriage. Let us know that preparing very well will help us to keep our marriages. Today, I am here again to also help us. Share this video, tag this video, subscribe. We are here to build this foundation, and we are here to help build talents, to help encourage skilled ones, to help bring to our doorsteps scholarships, opportunities for the betterment of tomorrow. I'll be happy today to announce to us that this website will be hosted on 30th of this month. And secondly, to also inform us that the polo, that is the t-shirt for the channel, is already out. And to inform us that a company, Nero, has accepted to and has accepted and approved Youth Talent channel to be part of their company in Europe. Thank you and God bless you. As we go on, by the day we are going to launch the channel, I will share to you some of the pictures of most of our players, most of our youth who have, through the help of the channel, have helped to travel out of the country as a footballer and also as people to study all over the world. We are here to help and intimate our youth. Thank you and God bless you.